Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at a product that I just got in the mail a couple of days ago. These are AERZ, and they are made to go with your Apple AirPods. Now, let's get them on and check them out and see what they look like. So, a little background on the company, AERZ. Oh, I just lost one of them. So a little background on the company, they make little skins that fit onto your AirPods. Now they have tons of different colors. What I like about this is the packaging is really nice. It's simple yet nice. Nice little box. Just slide it out. This is what you get. Two little silicone covers that's gonna go over the earpiece. So I'm gonna take one out and place it on and show you how it looks. Now, what these are supposed to do is make it a little more comfortable to put these in your ear, and you really can't even tell it's there. I mean, it's really fleshed to the headphone, but this is how you know that it's there. It does not fit. So in essence, you're gonna have to take these on and off. That's the only drawback. Now I will say that these are very comfortable in your ear. They increase the sound ever so slightly, and they just make it easier for these to stay in your ear. Now I've had a lot of people tell me that they have problems keeping the AirPod in their ear. I think that a device like this will really help, just because it adds an extra little layer of protection. The plastic actually adds a little more stickiness to your ear. So this is liable to stay in your ear more so than just the naked AirPod itself. So like I said, AERZ, go check them out, AERZ.com. You can pick you up some. They have tons of colors. Tell them I sent you. And until next time, give me that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.